Nonsia Bogana Maya de share ya mobibiara akwaba eba EMTV anopa nonsia kase so na sabre ensem bebre na atodwa ya de ba so ananopa yi se anopa nonsia kase no de di mu akotene bi ene se Emra ada awia no mienu no subrantam bi eto won kramantam mu na edensem bebre na ebae yebetwa mfonyini ede akyerew sanso na business awards bi nso eba so won kramantam mu a na no nso no abasobodie bebre na ekoma empanyimfo wodi akotene ewo Ghana ha physician assistants a omo wie school 2016 ni mu no African tampo abeye oyekere ewo kramantam ha Ghana Union Movement adodo na afen gum aye press conference ne na ensem a kofa by Christian K Andrew editudwa no yade mu nsem bebre ebebrew etiefo beka ya enche na Nigerian borders omutu mu nsem ma niam be amfri eye Ghana manmu emma mewuram ene eho nsem bebre na ba betudwa mekai wo se EMTV Ghana obetimi ahwe yen wo Facebook uko Facebook anu type EMTV Ghana ebe yi aba na wa like o like ya na wa share se de ebe ya ebe bo ama foforo so ehu ye dwumadie no ebi sanso na uko YouTube nso aye EMTV Ghana eno so be subscribe o subscribe wi a na adoma na won channel wa miaso na wo miaso a ya start your live program bia wo benya anase ya de bibia to ho a oman mu nsem ne ama hodo so nsem no ya de bi to ho a wo benya na wo so watie na wahwe bi na etimi aboa me a wedi kase boyi bre wo medin de ode sheba na echampon sabre yenye bre na yentesetese kase bono emu Edwada awia ene subrantam be hye ase se eto won kramantam na ensuo ne to ya dru ba bi a na kyese ekoda nim pa enam sa ya so ma eye enkran ne tema motorway kwantempon kase no ensuo eyiri fa kwan ni nyina amana ahyenkafo no enko na etimi aba enam sa ya so ma Ghana Police Service bi tudwa se woni a anase be kire ahyenkafo a otwi ahyende fa enkran ne tema motorway kwan so no wonya hwe yie pa na ensuo na yiri wudi agora ade oyene kase ebetimi aba Ghana na enam se kro bi amensem wom na fie bi amensem wom ntino ebinu ante won ho ase woje won ho di eje won ka ne di anase woje won hyen ne di eye wadwe se obetumi atwa fansuo no akọ enam sa ya so ma accident anase akwanhia hodo na ene si eye enkrane temamoto we ne so na sabre eye Ghana Police Service bokoko atoto asre ahyankafo a etwehyen fa won se wonya hwe yie kase pa na wakoya asoden a wahwe ya edi oyene kase ene akwanhia bebre ene beba Ghana man yimu Physician Assistant 2016 batch wo wie school wo College of Health working tampo ede wo yawo ne amemmenmfe ene anibre abepen kramantam ha wo beye ye kira ene ne brofo kase ene picketing no o mabeye no Ministry of Health na o mobaye no nsebepre na o mode tudwa yentie de amrante ne meba wane ekan ye ne bi
physician assistants your school or College of Health 2013 your school 2016 and you school 3 years down the line you post here enti yasem nyina ne ha nyina ne se ye ban ne na ya be pay posting and san ye free hanum enu nti ne buy
government posting ya bre 3 years in the house say adam ne nkura ye so ya na page se ma me mo ene ye papa mo sa ma ye ska ye ne enwanu mo ma wie gie che se pe adwuma ye ne o mo ye pe mi wa ye we school anka by this time we say ye boa wo mo ofie ye de kakra ye benya ne ye de boa fie ye say asa ba be ye bed no mo so ti ye sra ban mi free se shiton e na ma ba bedru hase si esre na on posting en wanti ani abano
owie ye no Deputy Minister of Health Honorable Alex Aban any won de ahia de to anim say eye Minister of Health etia ne na echi kakra nti sabe ona ehwe akire se abede akire na won sama ode bre no empo won hwe amuhu ne ebom na so wo hye won bo se minister ba bedru a won ne betena se esi nkonwa no wo hwe kwan a ebeboa na wode won ensem ne nyina afa so
clearance or your Minister of Finance, no, Yeah, Minister of Finance is in Kichaho. The physician assistant no also between when clearance na yetum ne post one wa kasha hunu edwuma ase. Petition nankasa ze nsema owo minim manara was ekitam. Enti minister penina ze wetukan. Enti muso mo kona makohwem. Na no nkomo bia wo de menye ministers no me nezi. Na anamon bia so a wo de yetu wo ho intentam ama physician assistants nso wonya ho posting so no yetum na yaye.
Business Awards kasie bi etodwa won kramantam mu ha na namsaaya so ma wobo Pharmaceutical Company of the Year, Importer of the Year, Emerging Brand of the Year, Mobile Money Service of the Year. Ene dodo na wobo won abaso ne na aye Best Media Organization no wode abaso bo kasie we de ma despite media group of companies and all this abaso body we e ma won.
Organization of the Year, Graphic Communications Computer, Daily Guide Network, Despite Group of Companies, EIB Network, Media General. And the winner tonight is Despite Group of Companies.
Now we was also the Social Entrepreneur of the Year and so on, what the man Dr. Osei Kwame Despite. We cover by ma a Despite group of companies which UTV, Peace FM, OK FM, Neat FM, Hello FM, any afufro bebre ka ho no obona baso say what did juma so e de aboa Ghana man ama Ghana mrantia ne mebawa dodo na enya adwuma ye. Na owie no Minister of Business and Development Dr. Mohammed Awa also the nsemi tudwa.
Africa is now globalized to 1.2 billion people with 3.3 trillion trade and investment opportunity every year. The only way we can tap into this opportunity is to grow our young people, to grow their businesses, to not only to compete locally, but to also compete globally. It's very important. And I also want to urge our banks, please look at your attitude towards SMEs. SMEs and startups are regarded as very high-risk areas. But SMEs and startups constitute over 90% of businesses in this country. Please redefine your attitude towards SMEs. Help them. The only way we can help them is to give them funding to grow. And I want to urge our banks to support government. Let's partner so that every year we can have a lot of SMEs being growing. The loans we gave to SMEs last year, we are recovering about 75% of it. So the banks can even do better. Partner government, support our SMEs. We can grow strong, resilient businesses.
A share crime, as also ma you say, a Juma ye deal Krumhat, or Ghana Hassan, a man for Ajiatum. Na ye Shama for Bosse, the Bacos na Juma Park, near Sayaria, a ham for it's a month for.
You say share hard work, the honesty, and the devotion towards the work. That's why we have been winning. We are hardly 2.5 years old company in the country, but we are one of the biggest importers of sugar and the rice in the country. That's a big plus to us.
Grow so, but you can find. But I think the opportunity now, a wahano, a say, I did a buchedia, honest can work. A buchejuman, sky demon, I buy some edge in the back, the form of taxes, I did rent and everything. Fizzer, Yentrana, and money. Beginning there, I sometimes they're very difficult.
Meka will say Ugusua ehwe EMTV Ghana anopa no nsia kase yento akase bono eso Ghana Union Movement adodo na afa no gum eyen sanchofo nhyiamu ewo mo party headquarters wo Nkramantom mu enam saye so ema founder anasa kofa by Mr. Christian K. Andrew aka Osofu Chabosom ede ensem bebre na tudwa na efa ya mamra anase ya mrakunin no ensema ode tudwa no ebinie.
Sit down and continue with this things that they have written in this constitution. I'm not condemning the constitution, but there are so many things in it which is not good for us as of now. Some people did it for their own benefits, where you can't take this one to court, you can't do this thing, you can't do this, you cannot do this. Those things, I know Ghanaians will understand and support us, and we are going to change those things. You see, we are in to serve our country, but not make money for ourselves. Let us all unite and do something about those things. It will bring a unity and a peace and harmony into our country. Without that, it will cost us a lot.
Okasawie ye no, ensancho for ko hokra no, obia ankyere ni so e wona kasa ho, e de nam sa ye so ma wosere won se, asema maka de me fata nsem bonti mo mo nsem ma me.
I know you are going to clap for me.
Opanyi to anensam so no, osade to dwa biem se eye appointees and as government appointees any ministers no oba obete so se hwi amana bafom.
Number of ministers of state shall immediately be reduced, not more than 70 ministers. Salary, ex-gracias, and allowances or incentives of ministers, MPs, MMDCs, and other state executives shall be reduced. I don't see why you are coming to serve your country. You need to charge more. You see, we are going to put our appointed ministers and the state official on a rank that they will have to understand that they have their own work that they are going to do in addition to helping their country. How can you give ex-gratia a 4 billion to one person for a minimum of 4 years? A teacher have taught in the classroom for 30 years. He is correct 200 and something million, which is 20 something thousand. About 30 years. A policeman have served the country more than 20 something years. He correct not even up to 1 billion. And a politician coming into the system for just 4 years, owing V8, certain allowances.
Free education so no, and some okafa ho bi ni.
Ghana Union Movement there, yeba say education e be ni free no, ye be ni free e dia ma onwa e free kindergarten e dia kwakosi soro. Bebre ni gya ase ha awofo no entumi nya sika yetimi de hwe nkora nketenkete no. Isa say ahyase na nyanyina so a esoro no nye. Nti ahyase no ne ya ehia kese.
Ebiem papa de tudwa so babenya abanwa yefura obema Ghana port aye free. Ose adenti na Togo ene amahudo ni bi so eye ekuta free port woni a woni timber woni diamond woni gold woni manganese ni hwe kura no omo port ye free na eba ne say na Ghana ye ne ye wo bibia no ya port entime nye free.
Baby ye cars ne spare parts nyira so ya adwense eba ni nyira se de kan no ye be ni free ama nkofo enya ahoto ewo man ni mu na be me sikasem so ayeye
efa ekuyayo ene yahobambo nso no ensem bi sei na ode tudwa
sanso ekuyafo bebre nso enso yeba ebedura ye modern say yebema onwuma no akoso na mpukoko tete kwashikoko no besa bankwam yebesa adua biem aduaba no edua ne be na asini achicha ma won ewie nso a yasan ono ebetima do abro 5 acres no bo do ato so bia na ban no betua eka de amount am wotumi aye ho adwuma enuti yese yebema kuaye ayede ayefe kuaye eda be fe ni nyina se de be ya ekuya no yede mfidie ebeba mu ama edipa ahom ebre no so ate obi ado ama nsem nyina afucheche ni nyina ebe yefiri ho aso ado ebe firi ho ne edi mfidie aye adwuma ama kuafo so anya adwuma ye na afi yato aso Kwame Nkrumah emfu na ojegu ho na yentimi nye biem ya ni nyina na ekra behwe ama mrofo so abeto ye nema ni bi akọ ye be mannwuma aboman mu ama sebe ya mrantier mabawa ebenya nnwuma ye ye bambo wo man mu hia apolisifoɔ ene asojafo ye be kɔma bom amom nyina aba monten so mom nyina bɛboa amom bambo no atimi akoso kama
etiefo ne ahwefo bɛka ya enche na beto odwa se Nigeria fo se omma Ghana fo kwan ema wonfa won nua ne ne anase broni beka se 43 items woma banded wo ho a omma Ghana fo emfamuram enam saye so ama ekatwitwidie na adwadifo wodi dwa kɔ eye Nigeria no wabɔ wo kyeremu a na eka be $2 million na wabɔ na sanse mo beto odwa no nipa bebre na akasa fa ho na eye enwa nwumre anadu nondu eye UTV kase eboso na eye Accra Greater Accra Deputy General Secretary Emaguta Mr. Emmanuel Nana Opoku Ajiman edinsem bi tudwa na sei na okan
wo hwe enhyehyeye na nkasa enka Mimi say eba me ankasa me personal opinion na enka boni ni ho eba boa ma alata man no atumpon so no if you so ma bande niema 40 almost 42 items and 43 items and enwura Nigeria man concept ni say sa niema we nyina ye bi ho okay yanhwe say you rose kwame e special abbey for example e special abbey na ya say jai special na to ho okay na ye kra sabio e bi kra na special ye desene esa be raman na ade kakra e wo mo hyehyɛ no ho a e ha adwen ni say enka wo mo akofa bi a e ba ne de nke be biemu na sabio Sanya export ene free oman ma ide yeah apie ana wo hwa niema bi a yeye bi okrom ha na yeye bi o Nigeria na Nigeria for no pese ho de na yeye ne de ye meto no ha na aha de a yeye ne de wo mu nyintu okobra ni se entwa yi yeah enkoyi ejino enhyehyɛ ya o mu de agu form ebo wo mu man ho ban any one sovereignty in India. Ne kwan so a. Na mom eye enhweso de o se Ghana ban. Anso hwe no osua. Okay. Na o se ye na o se nkie tusa na monwi. Ansa na nka sabio alata for na ede ato aso. Ana ye mpanimfo ya trawa ye hwe han ebi ti se sisi Ghana passport. Ese hwe nkura kese a ebekoso. Se ya hwe ni ammo yen passport you ban afa na West Africa countries ni no obi abepeso obenya Ghana passport if you said ne be dey ebeko yen me pesa me kire say yen panimfo no etras yen hwe han chedodo emoayen sa niema wenu nyina ye hyehyɛ ya e wo senka yen Ghana kwa ye di kan ye gu kwamu dadada okay na ye adwadifo ye hyase bo ho dawuro ka kira ban sa ban fa na si form na oman bia protecting the sovereignty say alata asemi e dawe okwabrane wo ka no aka ne say they are protecting their sovereignty
ahwefo ne atiefo ha na brebe ma me kwan ma me de ena nopa no nsia kase yi enyina ebeba na wieye me kai wo say EMTV Ghana ye wo Facebook obetumi asearch ye no one like page no na wa share so e de amayen sanso na ko YouTube nso a EMTV Ghana and also what type of shop ebeba no subscribe amayen se de be ye busuakuo no be ye kase na ma de be frato from bia no ye de ababa be somo ha na brebe mam kwan ma me de ena no pa no nsia kase yi nyina aba na wieye me de ode hye ba na echampon me ma wo mu ne hwe a wo jimanya do